This makes the perfect gift for the mechanic in your family. It is the VEVOR 90-piece tool set. VEVOR makes quality products, and this definitely proves it. If you got a husband, boyfriend, cousin, father, whoever, and they love working on cars and fixing stuff, they will absolutely love this as a gift. It comes with all the stuff they need. The T20s all the way to the T55s. All the extension from 15-inch all the way down to the tiny 3-inch. Plus, all these have swivels for all those tight to reach places. So the mechanics absolutely love these. Also, you got your longs and the extended, and you got your flats as well. Plus these right here. Best of all, comes with this amazing box. Like I said, makes a perfect gift. Also, there's smaller sets to choose from, different ones as well. Whichever one you get, they're going to absolutely love it. Right now they are on sale, so definitely grab them before they sell out. They have sold out every other time before. People just keep buying these. They're absolutely amazing. Peace out.